To verify your IC Markets account, follow these steps. Log into your account. Visit the IC Markets website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Complete the verification process. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete the verification process. This is a regulatory requirement to confirm your identity and prevent fraud. Submit proof of identity. IC Markets requires you to upload a valid identification document. This can be a passport, a national ID card, a driver's license. The document must be clear, valid, and show your full name, date of birth, and a recognizable photo. Submit proof of address. Upload a document that confirms your address. Acceptable documents include a utility bill, a bank or credit card statement, tax or government-issued documents. The document should be recent and show your full name and address. Wait for confirmation. After submitting the documents, IC Markets will review them. This may take up to 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, you will receive an email confirmation that your account is fully verified.